Game time media highlights are presented by TruStone Financial.
Right side three, that's good. Number 25 in blue for Eastview. Right side three is good. Aubrey Toms. Jada Wilson. Here's Lexi Matthews, left side three on the way, and bullseye for Lexi Matthews. By 10. Left side three is good. Tony Fisher knocks down the three. Goodman passes it into the corner. 5 to shoot now for the Eastview Lightning. Goodman on the drive, off the glass and good for 2. 10 on the shot clock. Tony Fisher off on a shot from the near side. 4 seconds left. Brinteson puts it up, comes up short. The buzzer sounds, and Eastview picks up the victory